Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you this reddish, rose golden, kind of a glam smoky eye look. I don't know how to call this eye look, but it's actually one of my favorites. I just love the subtle sparkle. And I don't know, I just really like it. So I cannot wait for you guys to see how I created it. So I'm gonna play with products from Jade Cosmetics and I'm gonna start with their Essential Eyelid Primer. So I'm gonna apply a few dots on the eyelid and then blend this out to make sure that my whole eyelid is covered. This is going to remove the redness on the eyelids and it's gonna make sure that my eyeshadow is gonna stay flawless all day. So let me know if you're gonna try this eye look. I cannot wait to see you guys recreate this makeup look, so don't forget to tag me on social media. So I'm gonna play with this beautiful palette and I have actually already used it, so I will link the previous video that I made using this palette in the description bar. In that video I created more of a neutral everyday look and this is more gonna be a glam version using that palette. So I hope you like both versions, but if you thought the previous one was a little bit more too natural for you, I hope you guys are gonna like this more glamorous version. So I started with this color and blending this all the way in the crease area and actually applying a little bit more of that in the outer V area. I wanted to have as much of this shade in the crease so we have a really nice base. So now next I'm gonna go in with this color and blending that first kind of like in the outer V, pressing my brush, kind of like packing on the eyeshadow and then making circular motions by blending it out to make sure that this shade blends nicely into the first color I used. And then go in with more of that color to really darken up the eyeshadow and make sure that it's gonna look a bit more darker. So take your time with this. It's better to start with a little bit and then blend it out instead of applying a lot, and this way it's harder to blend it out. So I always like to use a little bit and then slowly build it up by going in with more and more of that color. This always works best for me, and this way I always kind of play it safe. Especially with black eyeshadow, this can be quite tricky. But yeah, I always do it this way no matter what color I use. So now I'm going in with the black eyeshadow. So like I said, you don't want to use too much. I'm softly pressing this on the outer V, kind of tapping and making circular motions with my brush. And then when I have most product on, I'm going to blend more and more to make sure, again, that everything blends nicely together into each other. So that's how it's looking so far. I just continue to blend until I was satisfied. Sometimes it just takes a lot of blending. You have to be kind of patient. But at the end, this will all pay off because the more you blend, the softer it's gonna look, the more nicely blended out it's gonna look. So yeah, it definitely pays off if you focus a little bit more on your blending. So now next I'm going back in with a mixture of the first colors I used at the beginning, using a little bit of that more around the outer V area to make sure that there are no harsh lines. Sometimes with black eyeshadow, the color is so intense, so you want to make sure that you don't have any harsh lines. So if that happens, you can always go back in with the lighter colors, which we used earlier, and blend this around the edges to make sure that everything looks nicely smooth. So don't worry, if it looks a little bit too harsh, you can always go back in with lighter colors and fix it. So now I'm going in with my finger and I'm going to use this soft color and I'm going to use this as a base for the eyelid because I actually want to use the middle shade in this palette, which has a really beautiful sparkle. But I don't like to use sparkly eyeshadows on its own. I always want to use a shimmery base underneath. So this way the glitters kind of blend into the shimmers, and this way it's just gonna look so much better. Just from experience, I know this always gives more of a beautiful effect, so that's the way I do it. So now this is the sparkly eyeshadow, which just has a really subtle sparkle in it, which I absolutely love. So just using my finger to apply it, I went in a few times to make my eyelid look as sparkly as possible. I love that it's not like a super intense sparkle, but more of a subtle one, which gives a really beautiful classic effect. Now going in with the Jade Cosmetics concealer and blending a little bit of that around the outer end of the eyelid to make sure that it looks more clean. This is something I have lately been doing non-stop with my eye looks. I just think it looks so pretty and it will give a really nice clean effect. I don't know, definitely give it a try if you've never tried using concealer around the outer end of the eyelid. I feel like it gives just a really beautiful, nice, clean effect. So now for my eyeliner, I'm going to use their Intense eyeliner and I'm going to create a simple line above the lash line. Next, for my waterline, I am going to use their black pencil, and I will make sure to put all the products in the description bar. So in case you are curious what the exact names are of all the products I'm using, I will make sure to list everything down in the description bar. Now, after applying the pencil in the waterline, I'm going back in with the black eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm going to press this right underneath the lower lash line, so this kind of connects with the black pencil in the waterline. I wanted to make this as smoky as possible since this is a glam look. If you don't like black for the waterline, of course you can skip this step. You can give your own twist to this eye look. You can add the colors you want, but I wanted to really smoke it out. So using a mixture of that more darker reddish shade and that lighter color, and using that mixture to blend out the lower lash line. So this way everything looks nice, and I also use these shades for in the crease area. So by blending this underneath the lower lash line, I can now kind of blend it into the eyeshadows around the outer V, and everything kind of blends together. So the outer V just kind of connects really beautifully with the lower lash line, which I really like. I always love to use the same colors underneath the lower lash line as I used in the outer V. So this way everything just comes together like I said. I just really love the effect that it gives. So after blending, I went in with the lightest color in the palette, and I'm going to use this for the inner corner of the eye. It just adds that little pop in the inner corner, which I really like. It just always kind of complements and just makes everything look so much better. Now going in with this color, I just wanted to add a little bit more shimmer underneath the lower lash line as well. Sometimes less is more, but I just wanted to add more because why not? Let's just make it as glamorous as possible. So used a little bit of that, and now it's time to curl the lashes. I always curl my lashes before applying. So for my mascara, I'm going to use the Jade Cosmetics Extremity Volume Mascara. So I'm going to use this for the lower lashes and the upper lashes. Now after applying the mascara, I used some fake lashes to finish off the whole eye look. And then here you can see the end result of the eyes, and I really hope you all like it. Now I'm first going to finish off the rest of my face, and I'm going in with this beautiful blush. I will put the name of the product in the description bar. And I'm going to use this on the apples of my cheeks. I mixed two colors together, the middle shade and the color at the bottom. And I'm going to apply these on the apples of my cheeks to give them a flush of color. I love shades like this because it gives a really soft, peachy pink blush, which I really like. It's one of my favorite colors to use as blush. I just really love the undertone. So applying this on the apples of my cheeks, then now I'm going in with this gorgeous lipstick in a beautiful nude color. I love nude lipsticks. I always tell you guys this in my videos. I also love more of a bold color, but I feel like nude always goes so well with everything. I always want to make sure that the lipsticks I'm using go well with the eyes. So I decided to go in with a little bit of this gloss since it has a subtle sparkle and shimmer, just like the eyelid. So I thought this will look really beautiful together. And since it's also a glam look, I feel like a gloss just looks really pretty, and it just makes everything look even more glamorous because of that glossiness. So then to finish off the whole face, I'm going in with the Everglow highlighter palette, and I'm going to use this for my cheekbones, just to give it a little bit glow, just like the gloss, to make everything look just really glowy and glamorous. So applying this on the highest point of my cheekbones. My skin was a little bit rough, so I did not apply too much, but here you can see the finished result. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!